Hello mga kabayan! Congratulations! Ngayon naman mag-react tayo, bakit nanalo si Bam Aquino? Dahil sa track record ni Bam Aquino na maganda nung siya ay nanungkulan sa Senado for how many terms. So ito ang dahilan kung bakit binoto ng mga tao si Bam Aquino. So basahin natin. So subscribe dito kay Chris Ardia. Sabi dito, Sabi dito, notable authored and co-authored ng mga laws and proposed bills. Ito mga pinropose ng bills. Universal access to quality tertiary education. O diba? Universal access to quality tertiary education. Free internet access to public space. Microfinance NGOs Act. Anti-Age Discrimination Act. Children's Emergency Relief and Protection Act. The Customs Modernization and Tariff Act. No Shortchanging Act. And the Go Negosyo Act, the Prime Lemon Act, the Philippine Competition Act, the Foreign Ships Code Loading Act, the Youth Entrepreneurship Act, Sangguniang Kabataan Reform Act, Microfinance NGOs Act, the Credit Surety Fund Act of 2014, the Election Service Reform Act of 2014, the Act of authorizing the punong barangay to administer the oath to office, Department of Information and Communication Technology Act of 2015, Closed Caption Broadcasting of Television Programs Act, the Bangsamoro Organic Law, and the Filipino Sign Language. So, yung mga focus ng mga acts niya na nagawa sa Senate is eliminate red tape in the country, amend the rice tarification law, increase the budget of education sector, reform the K-12 law to make senior high school graduates more employable, ban on offshore gaming operations, seeks to refile the Anti-Policy Dynasty Bill. So, napakaganda ng mga nagawa ni Bam Aquino. So, of course, during the time may President Duterte, nariyon yun. Pero to author those bills, to have that kind of bills na in-author niya, co-author pa, is something good. Something tells about his heart. Nakikita mo yun, yung kanyang mga, nakita natin yung kanyang mga bills which are very consistent. Ano yung mga topics? These are more with helping the marginalized people. These are all pro-poor. Lahat ng mga, almost all ng mga batas na isa katuparan or may say na co-author and author ni Bam Aquino is or are pro-poor. At of course, senator siya, attorney siya, alam niya gumawa ng batas. So, alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Para sa bayan ang ginagawa ni Bam Aquino. So, mabuhay ka, Bam Aquino. Huwag kayong maniniwala sa mga fake news.